KON'CHA! Hello everyone! Today we are going to enter the divine in Kagurazaka, the hill where the gods are entertained. Kagura, or god entertainment, is a type of Shinto ritual ceremonial dance. It's said the music coming from the shrines echoed through the streets of Kagurazaka. Kagurazaka is one of Tokyo's 6 major red light districts, but not in the pleasure quarter sense, but think high-end entertainment by top geishas. High-end meaning extremely expensive, so don't think you can just come here and think you can meet geishas that easily. Kagurazaka is also known for its French expat community. I am so sorry I was forced to do that by my director. Which becomes clear when you notice all the French restaurant and cafe signage. Kagurazaka's maze of back alleys are beautiful and fun to explore, so don't go away and let's enter into the realm of gods. First is Kagura Hill itself. Even during the day, Kagurazaka is lively with workers out for lunch because they all know the food is good here. Kagurazaka is most alive at night. Hyogo Yokocho is Kagurazaka's oldest alley and was an area where weapons merchants lived. The deeper you venture, the narrower the alley becomes, and it can feel like trespassing private property. This is a cafe, believe it or not. Behind the green foliage is the entrance. Somewhere? It used to be neatly trimmed so you could tell a cafe was there, but today you could walk past it thinking nothing's there. Geisha Shindo is where geisha houses and luxurious traditional Japanese restaurants called ryote are lined. Today there are roughly 30 geishas and 8 ryotes tucked away in here. These venues are anything but affordable, so you'd better start saving up if you want the experience. Kakurenbo means hide and seek. It was named this way because it was easy to lose sight of someone you're tailing, meaning people could come here for food and entertainment in secret. So for you couples, if your partner decides to wander through here, keep a very, very close eye on your significant other. This is the hugely popular Canal Cafe, just across the road from where Kagurazaka starts. It's a great place for a light meal or coffee on a sunny day on the waterfront deck while watching trains chug along. Avoid the weekend though, because the line is ridiculous. Anyway, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this heavenly tour in the company of gods by your favorite goddess. Just kidding. Till next time. Bye-bye.